You know, I'm really proud of a case that I worked on a number of years ago for a motorcycle accident victim where the insurance company was saying, we're not going to pay you because you were not wearing a helmet. At the time of the accident, the Supreme Court in the state of Wisconsin came down with a decision that's saying if you are not wearing a helmet in a motorcycle accident, it could be a total bar to your recovery, even though there's no helmet law in Wisconsin. We thought that was wrong. We didn't agree with it. We decided to go to Madison to try to change the law. Thankfully, we were able to change that law so the insurance company would not be able to use that against an injured biker who did nothing wrong to cause the accident. And as a result of that changed law, I'm proud to say that I was able to get that client well over $1 million to not only compensate him for his injuries, but also compensate him for the future medical treatment that he would need. His family is very happy they hired Hupy and Abraham. You should too.